Ecohuis with Vertex BD has become a top player in the modular building sector by asking 3 key questions. How do you ensure an error-free design process? Ecohuis uses Vertex BD's streamlined design workflow, which allows designers to automatically generate detailed framing models. This means fewer errors and higher efficiency for designers. Software automation allows Ecohuis to scale projects efficiently and price projects promptly. How can you sell a home design in just one day? Timber, readily available in Belgium, is key to Ecohuis's swift modular design approach. Vertex BD supports this by generating drawings automatically, as well as creating construction-ready documents, speeding up the whole process from design to sale. How do you promise durable homes for a wide range of budgets? Ecohuis achieves this through off-site construction, which allows them to offer a range of options without compromising on standards. Ecohuis designers work closely with their builders, leveraging Vertex BD to automate documentation, ensuring consistent quality when designs change. The combination of Ecohuis's skilled designers, Vertex BD's automated processes, and the precision of off-site construction provides exceptional value for customers. Visit our website for more information.